Hi there, I'm Deepika Sonal from Destiny Curve, and today we are going to discuss about why do more women need to learn coding. Destiny Curves is a magazine exclusive for women who want to learn more and grow more together. So subscribe us for latest update and check our website on destinycurves.com. So yes, we all have hopes, dreams and some plans for future. We all want to upgrade ourselves. So whether you are looking for a new opportunity, want to optimize your current job or simply searching for a new hobby, coding can help you to get closer to your goals. And remember, anyone can learn how to code. Some of the facts are computer programming and coding are not synonyms. Programming is the larger picture and coding is one of its important parts. So let's understand it in this way. If you have to prepare dinner for your guest, what are the steps involved? Buying grocery, cooking food by following set of instruction, garnishing it and then serving it on the dinner table. And in this, cooking is the important part of dinner preparation. Same as in programming, the steps are planning the application, designing it, developing it, testing its features, deploying it, maintaining it after finished. In programming, development part is important, where we have to write code for computer to understand. So what is coding? Coding is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform certain tasks. So think like that. Think yourself as a computer and recipe book author as a coder. Without coding, digital transformation could not be possible. Most of the popular technology rely on coding such as Facebook, smartphones, the browser we choose to view our favorite blogs or even YouTube themselves. It all runs on code. Coding can be done using variety of computer programming languages such as Java, JavaScript, Python, C++, C and many more. Programming language can be used for different purpose. You can use this skill to make website, apps, software, process the data for research purpose and do lots of cool things. So what is the benefit I will get by learning it? It will be fun when you start executing your code. It will give you a happiness and confidence. Learning something new daily is the best way to motivate and upgrade yourself. It is the productive time pass rather than watching random reels and videos online. Coding makes you self-sufficient. It boosts your skills and are actually useful to most of the jobs, like problem solving and logic. Learning to code is like an exercise session for left side of your brain. It could lead to freelancing work also. As a coding is highly valued skill at the moment and will be in future, many companies are willing to outsource the work. So you can earn by freelancing at your home. Many online websites are available where you can get work according to your skills. Check out those websites. I already given the links in the description below. Mother is the best teacher. So teach your kids about coding and logical thinking. This will increase your bonding and their knowledge too. You can set the best example for others. Nothing helps women like other women. By learning to code, you can easily become a role model for other women need. Let us start our new gossiping with coding and explore something new and creative in yourself. So these are few points which reminds you to start a new journey of coding. And these are name of few websites from where you can start learning coding. I had put links in the description below. If you are a beginner and new to technological field, then next video in Destiny Curve is just for you, where we will discuss about which computer language is best for you to start your journey. Thank you for your time and do subscribe us for latest update.